Oh, here we go again. Righty. You get these bits. It's a low ring. Bung that on there. Make sure it's seated properly. There's a little filter goes on as well. Just clicks on like that. I'll just give these a little smear of grease just to help them go in a little bit easier. This can be quite sticky. Move that around a bit like that. It should just pop in. There we go. It's gone home. Petrol will wash off any excess anyway. Don't worry too much about it. And we need the clamp. A little tiny screw. Next then is a needle valve pointing down. Make sure that springs. Float to get into that. The pin. This can be quite awkward to get in. Just going. There we go. Make sure it's lined up on that bit. And gently tap it into place. It's gone in. Right, I think you set the float height now. The way I've been doing it, set my calipers to 22.4. That'll do, as near as. And measure the height between that surface there and that one there. As you can see at the moment it's way too high. So bend that little tag up there. It'll be quite awkward to get a screwdriver in to do this. There we go. Just give it a flick. Just go a little bit more. Tiny bit more. You know what, I'm happy with that. That'll do. This going is a little bung for the pilot screw. There's a new one. That's the state of one of the old ones. Gasket will only go on one way. hole there, goes over that pipe there, over that tube. Double check float drains. I haven't nipped them all up, which I hadn't. No, it's carbs reassembled. Happy with that. Now to get them fitted. So the fuel's been turned on for about 5 minutes, no major leaks. Had a little dribble from number 4, but I seem to have cured that with a quick tap of a little hammer. So let's give it a go.
Moments later.
Oh, she seems quite happy now, just sat there ticking over. I'll let her settle down for a while, get nicely warmed up. I'll probably drop the oil tonight, give her a good oil change if she needs a run out, give her a good blast out and make sure she's running properly. But a lot happier than she was. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.